Earth, our home, a pale blue dot suspended in the vastness of space. From afar it seems serene, beautiful. But the universe holds secrets, some beautiful, some terrifying. One of these secrets lies in the darkness between the stars. Black holes. Imagine a star, much larger than our sun, collapsing under its own weight. The collapse continues relentlessly, compressing the star's matter into an infinitesimally small point. What remains? A black hole, a region in space where gravity is so strong, nothing can escape, not even light. Black holes exert an irresistible gravity. Imagine a small ball placed on a stretched rubber sheet. This is a star on the fabric of space-time. Now, place a bowling ball on the sheet. The sheet bends dramatically. This is a black hole. Planets, stars, even light itself, everything falls towards it. Let's assume the unthinkable. A black hole drifting through the Milky Way, approaching our solar system. At first, its presence is subtle, a slight distortion in starlight, but as it draws nearer, its influence grows. Outer planets begin to tremble, their orbits disrupted. Panic grips Earth as the black hole looms larger. Panic grips Earth as the black hole looms larger. Tides surge, becoming monstrous tsunamis that crash against continents. Earthquakes split the ground. The very air we breathe thins as the black hole's gravity pulls it away. As the black hole approaches, time itself begins to warp. As the black hole approaches, time itself begins to warp. Near the event horizon, the point of no return, time slows to a crawl. To someone watching from afar, Earth would appear to freeze, the catastrophe unfolding in slow motion. But for those on Earth, the end would come swiftly. What happens when something falls into a black hole? What happens when something falls into a black hole? No one knows for sure. Some theories suggest we would be crushed into oblivion. Others propose a journey through a wormhole, a shortcut to another point in space and time. Perhaps a black hole is not an end but a beginning. The vastness of the universe can be frightening. The vastness of the universe can be frightening. Black holes with their destructive power embody this fear, but they also offer a glimpse into the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. By studying them, we unlock secrets about gravity, time, and the very fabric of existence. Do black holes pose a threat to us? Do black holes pose a threat to us? For now, the answer remains elusive. The universe is vast, and encounters with black holes are rare. But their existence reminds us of the power and mystery that surrounds us. They are a reminder of our place in the cosmos and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our world.